Hey everybody, check out this cute little sticker book I made. I used that mini binder from the Dollar Tree, and these are the stickers from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute I organized them. So in the rest of this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I made them, and you can follow along. Aren't they adorable? And then, up and coming, I think that once a week, and it might be on a Wednesday, I'll let you know, I am going to do cards that are made out of these stickers. So see this sticker page? This sticker page, I can make multiple cards out of that, and then we can make a box and put them in that box, and you can give them away as gift or hold on to them or do whatever you'd like with them. But we're going to start using the things that we buy at the Dollar Tree. And that's my goal. I'm not just going to buy it to hold on to it. We're going to buy it and use it. So stick around. Watch the rest of this video, and at one point I'm going to say see you real soon, but don't go nowhere because there's more coming. Alright everybody, have a great day. Enjoy that rest of this video. Aren't these adorable? Alright, bye! Hey everybody, are you ready for some creating? We're going to be using these dollar store binders. These are the small ones. What are they, like the mini binders. They're the 9 by 7. 9 by 7. We're going to use these. These are going to be used to store our stickers. If you're like me, your stickers are all over the place and I want them in a binder. Because the binders are so inexpensive, if I have 2 or 3 binders, that's okay too. So this is what I've come up with. Ready? Not that one. Let's start with the bigger. That's these stickers. This is what I've decided to do. Let's open the bag of stickers. Take the stickers out. Take the cardboard out. And then what I do is I take this flap and I fold it inside because I don't need them to seal. Once they're in here, they'll be fine. And we're going to be cutting part of this off. And I have my cutter. And this is what I did. I'm going to have to move things in and out of my frame just so you can see. This was the sticker sheet that I already did. I made this sticker sheet 8 by what it came at. So what I want to do is I want to cut this piece down that we took out to 8 inches. And I'm going to put it this way because I really don't need this part. I'm not going to get too fancy. Like if I wanted to get a piece of white cardstock, and I'm not doing any of that. This is just to hold stickers. All right, so that's our 8-inch piece. I also need this to now become 8 inches. So I lined the closed edge, the part that's going to stay sealed, on the 8-inch side. And then I cut it off. And honestly, you don't have to worry about folding that because it actually cut the entire fold off. Yay! All right, so that's 8 inches now. Then we stick this back in here. We take our sticker and we put our sticker back inside of it. Ta-da! Now I have the coffee stickers laying around. So prior to coming up with this technique, I had thrown the bag away to this sticker. No big deal, because each bag will hold 2 sets of stickers. So I'm going to take these coffee stickers and I'm going to slide them on in here. And there you go. The easy way to now continue is to punch holes in this. But this here sticker pack, this really cool one, This bicycle is a sticker. If you punched holes in this, you're going to ruin that sticker. So you have to be careful of what your stickers are, and I don't want to ruin anything on this side. So this is how I decided to come up with that, how to not ruin that. Now that we have our packages made, we're going to make little hinges for this. So I have an 8x, just take a piece of paper that's 8 inches wide, and you're going to cut 2-inch strips. Scraps work great for this, and you can make all your hinges in different colors, as long as you have an 8-inch piece. So I'm going to probably just turn around and use all my scraps. So once we have our 2-inch by 8-inch piece cut, we're going to need to score that down the middle. So you take your 2x8 and score it at 1 inch. Score it again at 1 inch on your next sheet. Fold them in half. And however you're going to punch your 3 holes, now we punch it. I'm going to bring my punch back in. I'm going to line my paper up. I push it all the way in and all the way down. I punch. I pull it out. And now with my tape runner, I'm going to run a bead of tape down each side. And I'm going to come up with another tape runner here in a minute, because this one is driving me crazy. Now, don't go past your circles, your punches, your holes. Ah! And go right up to them. And line them up, fold them over, and now we have these cute little pockets for all of our stickers using Dollar Tree bags that came with the stickers. How awesome is that? Is that not upcycling? All right, so let me make one more with you, and then I want to show you how to make pockets. Look at how cute! Ta-da! Stickers! Dollar Tree stickers! Love it! Love it, love it, love it. Okay, next one. So now we've made our bag. So I'll do this one with you, and then I'll make one more bag. We'll finish this one up. This is my already cut piece. Ta-da! Get my silly tape runner out. Why does it do that? Does anybody know? Does it get too tight for the wheel mechanism on the inside of this? What is that? So you want to hear why I don't have Disney music playing? I'm going to tell you why. Because I'm uploading a video to YouTube. Probably a 20-minute video takes me 3 hours to upload. Because I live in the country, I have DSL, and if I run something else that requires internet service, it would take me 4 to 5 hours to upload that video. Yes, pretty sad. What I probably should do is put my video onto a zip drive, run to the library, or run to Dunkin' Donuts where they have free Wi-Fi, and upload it there. Okay, so this was the second one. How cute! How cute! Cute, 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 cute. Now let's see about grabbing a different size sticker package. Let's see. So this was the sticker package we were just working with. That's the size. Maybe yeah, that's this one. Now these are smaller. That's not one. These are smaller. Now, see, we're going to adjust to each sticker size. So what I'll do here right now is I will divide my stickers. Okay. So we already know how to do this one. Let's do this one. This set of stickers are 7.5. 7.5 by, it doesn't really matter what it's by. So we can leave that 7.5 for the bag. So on this one, what we'll do is we will open that up. How cute are these? Now this bag, we're just gonna cut it to 7.5. So I'm gonna leave it open. So I cut off that sticky part of it. So I'm gonna put it to the 7.5 mark. Make sure your sealed end is there. Your opened end is on the cut side. And cut it. So we made that the 7.5 side. I had a piece of paper stuck to that. Alright, so we cut our bag to 7.5. We'll throw away our garbage. We will stick our stickers back in that bag. And do that carefully because these bags do have a tendency of ripping. Ta-da! Right? Now let's make the hinge. That's too small. So let's cut. Now we got to work with a 7.5 inch long. So let's cut this piece of paper down to 7.5 inches. I have 2 sheets here. 7.5 by 1 inch strips. So I will cut out 2 inch strips. 2 inch strips. I will cut a couple of them out for the 7.5 inch size. Automatically know that that's garbage. And these are the 7s. So now we cut them down to, we're going to score it. And there's my other one. Score it at the 1 inch mark. Okay, that's the 7.5 one. Score it at 1 inch. Yay! Fold it in half. Bring in your hole punch. In and down. Punched. And now we will just put our tape runner down one side. Down the other side. And then we're going to take our stickers and line them up but not cover our holes. Ta-da! And there you have it. Then we'll grab our little notebook, open it up, and stick it in. Isn't that adorable? Now I want to do one more thing with you. We're going to take a sheet of 12 by 12 paper. Let's take a fun color. I'm in the mood for some fun. Take a fun color. So this is a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. We're going to score it down the middle, right at 6. Whoops. Score it right at 6. We're going to turn it. Yay! Turn it, turn it. And we're going to score it at 3.5. 3.5. Fold that up like that. And then fold that one backwards. Get out your bone folder and give it a good burnish. Isn't that sweet? The holes are going to go on the open side. So you get your hole puncher back out. In and down. Give it a good punch. Now watch this. Bring that back in. Bring this back over. Open that baby up. And look at that. We just made a pocket folder, and you could decorate this any way you want. Just say you have stickers. Give me 1 second. I'll get you a sticker that doesn't have stickers that don't have cellophane, because you started doing this after you threw it away. Look at that. Is that not the best? Is that not the best? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And I will see you real soon. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. So I'm back with my first full book. I wanted to share it with you. I guess I have to maybe start a Dollar Tree Anonymous group, because I think I'm addicted to the Dollar Tree. I confess, I do. I'm addicted. I do have to stay away from the stickers, or I have to start making things with them. That's going to be my rule. So look how cute this book came out. There's a sticker sheet per page, this one, and then I added that one. So this is how I got 1 page, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, can't count, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one's going to come out because it's going to go into a different book. Let's do that again. I want this for just this size stickers. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So that's 12 packs of stickers in one book. Nice and neat. And then maybe if I have time, I'll come back and decorate this. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to then take, and I didn't need any of the folders I made, because I had actually enough packages, and then I saved from the ones I didn't need. So you might wind up with more of these than you have. Don't throw them away. Let's move on to the next book. I'll tell you, scraping this sticker off is harder than making the pockets for this. I used a razor blade, so just go slow and steady, because slow and steady wins the race, and you don't want to rip the cover. Okay, second book done. Now, this was the smaller of the sticker packs. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. Oh, and I have room for one more. So you know what? I had these labels. So I think I'm just going to add those labels to that. Yay! Now the other thing I have is I think that I am on a mission now, that I'm going to go and organize all of my stickers. So I have 2 boxes done. 2 books done.